Here is the performance for soda can restoration. Now let me preface by saying this is one of the most unbelievable tricks that you can do, and this really takes your spectators off guard. The effect is you have a soda pop can that you grab from a trash can. Grab this one. This is a Mountain Dew can. The nastier, the wetter it is, the deeper down in the trash can, the better. Now, what we're going to do is take it and, with our mind, get this soda pop can. To restore itself. Now, a few little details left. Get it to go back. To new. Soda can restoration can be done with any soda pop can and can be given out to your spectators to drink and for examination afterwards. A true classic.